Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old den of tools, and we got Harbor Freight Labor Day savings, and on top of that, we got leaked info. Yes, the Deep Freight Agent Core strikes again. We got this and a whole bunch more, so let's jump into it. Let's talk about what's going on over at the Freight. Well, the big sale right now, I have a feeling they're going to release more like coupon sales closer to Monday, but right now, the big sale is 25 or 20% off for everybody on any single item and 25% off for everyone. Now, hold your horses, hold your horses. I know a bunch of you are like, but Bear, that doesn't count for blah, blah, blah. And you're right, it doesn't. They always have exceptions on these things. Limit one per customer per day. That means you can use it from right now, from September 2nd, through Monday. So you can go as the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th. That's four times. And you get your significant other, maybe the kids to go with you. You can really kind of make this thing work for you. Now, that said, here's what's excluded. I'm going to come down here because this text is easier to read. Of course, it has all the same stuff like inside track, and you can't take it on stuff you've already used, yada, yada. But on the things you're actually looking to buy, the brands that they block are, you can't get it on Atlas, Bauer, Central Machinery, Cover Pro, Hercules, and Predator. Now, those are the only brands specifically that they block out. But then they also go on to say no on compressors, generators, jacks, miter saws, safes, storage cabinets, carts, chests, and welders. Cannot be all the legal speak. Anyway, blah, blah, blah. Now, I know all of you are like, well, that just blocks out everything I could possibly use it on. I mean, I guess I couldn't possibly buy a $650 jack with 25% off. Yeah, because that's not blocked. So let's see here, 650 times 0.75, we're looking at, $487. I guess that's not enough of a savings for you. Oh, let's see what else they got here for us. We got the Franklin ladder. You can use it on that. That's going to get you a $150. You're going to take 25% off of that. How about this? Homemaster trailer. All right, that means you can get this trailer. Let's see here. It's $550 times 0.75. You can get this for $412. This is their top of the line trailer, 48 inch by 96 inch Super Duty folding trailer. All right, just for comparison, you can get this, or you can go down and look at Slick Willie's rusted piece of you know what here for $1,100. And this is a real post. I just went and grabbed it. I'm like, there's got to be somebody. Sure enough, the first thing I pull up, look at this piece of junk here. What do you say? Homemade trailer came with an in-bed camper. It towed the heavy camper from Idaho on the interstate with no issues. Right. He says, I don't need it. I bet you don't. Look at that thing. Anyway, $1,100, $400 and change. I wonder which way I'm going. Anyway, how about this one? We get the Franklin Workhorse workstation here. I almost said jaw horse. We're looking at $180. That's already cheaper than the going rate on the current jaw horses out there. Now we're going to knock 25% off of that. Oh, how about this? Road Shock. All the Road Shock stuff. $189. You're going to take 25% off of that. This wet saw. This is a beast of a wet saw. 15 amp, 10 inch. Normally $530. You're going to knock 25% off of that. Want the basic Admiral sander, not sander, the circular saw here. $200. Oh my gosh. I'm glad there's absolutely nothing you can use this on. How about an Icon? Any of the Icon. You can use this on all the Icon products. There's not an Icon product that is banned by this, but, the cabinets, but all the Icon hand tools, $350. You can knock off, $350. That takes it down to $262 for a half-inch professional-grade digital angle torque wrench with lifetime warranty. Oh, come on. Now about this, the Quinn. We talk about the Quinn. This is the Goldilocks zone of hand tools over there. The master set. Now the price has gone up to $420, but you're going to knock 25% off of that. That's a chunk of change right there. Let's see what else we got. How about, as I said, any of the Icon stuff? I love these Icon ratcheting wrenches. They're fantastic. Reversible, $170. They come with the tray. Looks great in the toolbox. This is a great setup here. And you're going to knock 25% off of that. All these people whining, oh, I guess they don't want a Doyle 6-inch swivel vise with anvil and pipe jaws for $230. Oh, no, we're going to knock 25% off that. You know what? don't buy it then. You say there's nothing out there. All these people always complain there's nothing out there. Oh my gosh. Anyway, that let's jump into some of the stuff. Let's cover real quick some of the new tools that just got released, because this thing is going to set the world on its ear. There it is. It's finally out. The Hercules 2.25-inch horsepower amp variable speed fixed base router with plunge. Now, this is not something you're going to be able to use the coupon on, but this just got released. It's showing up in stores shortly. May already be in your store, but this has been a big deal. Porter Cable they surrendered. They gave up. They're not doing that thing anymore. So that left, was it Bosch up on top? Skill kind of trying to prove that they're worth to be in there. Now we have a third contender, and for me, I want more hats in that ring. And look at this: you get the fixed base, you get the plunge base on this. That's just a nice looking piece of equipment right there. Now, will it hold up? Will it do the deed? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But you gotta admit, if you've been following the Hercules line, they've been hitting some dingers lately. So this thing looks the part. Will it hit like that? I don't know, but I'm not gonna bet against it. All right, next up we've got Quinn. Again, the middle of the road stuff, right? How about this 100-tooth combination ratchet wrench set, 12-piece, no skip. We're talking 8mm to 19mm, no skip, and a nice kind of prosumer. What was it, $89? And you can find this. You can use the coupon on it. This just came out. All right, how about this? The Maddox. This is their new bead setter there. People have been complaining that Harbor Freight didn't have a bead setter. I was stunned. Somebody's like, why doesn't Harbor Freight have a bead setter? I'm like, oh, of course they do. They have everything. No, they didn't. Well, they do now. And also, look at this. Just out for the Bauer. Again, expanding that Bauer cordless line. Save $20 off instantly. Anyway, can't use the coupon on it, but $200 if you're looking for a cordless air sprayer and you're in the Bauer line, there's going to be a solution. Now, let's say you're not in the Bauer line and you still want a solution. Well, that's when Deep Freight has got you covered. Our agents, we've pulled up a treasure trove of stuff. Let's take a look at some of them. How about this? The Avanti corded sprayer there. So it's the same thing. Look at that is the same thing, just in a corded version for a few bucks less. That's got to be a great option for you. Let's see what else we got. We get the Badland Apex 5500 UTV long drum winch here with, I believe it's got the what you call, not the chain, but the or the wire. I believe it's got the synthetic on it. I could be wrong. Anyway, so there's an option. Normally was at $350. We're looking at that compared. And again, if this was in stores with these kind of coupons, this is the kind of stuff you can use it on. How about this? A Bauer stationary buffer, 3/4 horsepower. That's a nice setup. If you've been looking for a bench top buffer, that might be the way to go. And as I showed you, I teased you before, the Doyle 65-pound anvil. Now, previously, the best Harbor Freight had was that 55-pound anvil. I have it. It's not even nothing to write home about. It's one I tell people to avoid, honestly. All this Doyle stuff I've seen with the new Doyle vices and stuff, they're fantastic. And this, I'm excited about this. I can't wait to get my paws on it. I'm definitely going to replace that blue boat anchor with this thing. And guess what? We're not done with Doyle. How about this? Carpenter's vise there in the 7-inch wide setup there, $70. What else we got? Look at that. Cradle drill press vise. Tell me you don't want one of these. Are you kidding? For $60 under the Doyle brand? Because the Doyle quality, man, if you've been using the Doyle hand tools, you know what I'm talking about. How about this? Doyle hitch vise. I'm going to have to buy it. There's just no two ways about it. $130. 6-inch wide, 5-inch throat depth, 60,000 PSI ductile iron on that. Yeah, I'm going to have to snag me one of those. All right, let's see what else we got. We got some more Daytona stuff. We've got a 10-ton Ram here. Let's see. Of course, this is for moving body parts and stuff if you bend a frame or something like that. We have a 4-ton Ram as well. Let's see what else we got. We got the cart reinforced steel supports frames up to 1,200 pounds. That one I'm not going to take a bet on. I'm 1,200 pounds. I don't know if I'll hold. But this one's cool. The Bauer propylene folding sawhorse. So it's a plastic sawhorse. It's got that clamp station up on top. Works has something almost identical to this. They're selling a pair of those for like $70. A pair of this would be $50. That's without any coupons or sales. That's a good deal right there. All right, let's see what else we got. Now this one, we got the Niagara backpack chemical sprayer, yada, yada, yada. If you're looking for it, that's exciting times, $50. We got a finger sander here. They are what they call a band file belt sander. That's looking at $40 corded there. How about this? We got Daytona 3-ton jack stands with circular pads. I love this style of jack stand. The feet on this, they're super stable. $90 there for the pair. Let's see what else we got. How about a Daytona 1.5 Ultra Low? We've leaked this before. We talked about it. We didn't have pictures and price. This is the 1.5 ton Ultra Performance Aluminum Racing Jack. The kids these days with their jack racing, they've gone insane. They've lost their minds. $369. Just to be to compare, I've got a buddy who used to race, and he was like, "Yeah, dude, 1,100 on a comparable jack stand is not even batting an eye. If they can do this at 370, they will sell these all day long." All right. Anyway. There you go. There you have it. That's all the leak for you. Just want to say a huge thank you of us hitting 50 million views here on the channel. We've been around for a while now, and September 1st we hit 50 million. That's a huge deal. You can talk about subscribers and all that stuff. It really comes down to views, and this is a huge milestone. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you for being part of the community. Now, don't forget, also check us out on TikTok and over on the Instagrams and whatnot. Yes, sad to say, rodeo season is coming to a close. We only got a week or two left, so we're going to be wrapping up the rodeo content. Gee, I wonder what other season could be coming up next we could add some more content for. Anyway, there you go. That's all that Bear has for you today. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.